If we've got the sources on Cliprise, the AI media platform everyone's talking about. Our mission today is to really cut through the noise and figure out what makes it useful.
Yeah, and I think the big idea here is it's not just about generating content. ClipPrice's real strength is that it's like a single access point.
A single access
It
point.
shields creators from having to manage, dozens of different AI subscriptions. It aggregates models like Google VO, OpenAI Sora, Midjourney.
All under one roof?
Exactly. All behind one simple system.
That makes perfect sense. It's
Hmm.
tackling that AI subscription fatigue we all feel. So who is this actually built for?
The sources are pretty clear on that. It's for high-volume asset creation.
Okay, so we're talking content creators, YouTubers, marketing agencies.
In teams, yeah. Anyone who needs a lot of reliable media, and they need it fast.
So what can you actually do? Let's get into the utility.
At its core, it's very straightforward. You input prompts and parameters, and you generate images, video, or audio. For video, you can do text to video or image to video.
And what about length?
It depends on the model you pick, but generally 5, 10, or 15-second options.
Yeah.
And for audio, it has text-to-speech, sound effects, and crucially, audio isolation. And that's all powered by an 11 Labs integration.
So I don't need a separate 11 Labs account, but I get all their power. That's the aggregation you were talking about. And this is where the flexibility really comes in, right? You don't just hit a generate button.
No, you explicitly select the model you want to use. You can choose from categories like video gen or image gen.
So you're scrolling through names we know, like DLE40 or Kling.
Precisely.
Right.
And that choice is your main control panel. It lets you balance 3 things: speed, quality, and of course the cost and credits.
And for some of the more advanced models, I saw the notes mention things like seed parameters.
I do, on models like VO3 and Sora 2.
Yeah. Can you just break that down for the listener? Why does that matter?
It's all about reproducibility. A seed parameter lets you save the, let's call it the DNA of a generation.
So you can recreate that exact same look later on.
Or iterate on it without the AI just giving you something completely random. It's a huge deal for professional workflows.
Okay, so connecting that choice to cost. You mentioned credits.
Right. Cliprise uses a single, unified credit system across all 47-plus models. It just simplifies the whole billing process.
And this is the part I found genuinely creator-friendly. The sources say that if I generate an image, all the basic editing tools, things like background removal, smart crop, filters,
All that costs 0 credits.
it's completely free. That totally changes the economics of just trying things out and iterating.
It really does. You only spend credits when you generate something new, or for high-end tasks like an 8K upscale.
And the sources for those credits are practical too.
Very. Your monthly subscription credits get used first, but then you have top-up credits.
Which you buy separately.
Right, and those never expire as long as your account is active.
That detail might seem small, but for any agency with an inconsistent workflow, that's basically cash in the bank. And wait, the sources also mention accountability. If a third-party model fails to generate, the credits are just automatically refunded.
Yep. That's a huge logistical risk that Cliprise just absorbs for you.
Wow.
It builds fairness right into the system. And you need that control because a standard DLE image might cost, say, 6 credits, but a big 8K upscale could be 73. You choose where to invest.
So if we tie this all together, the real value here is that broad, flexible AI power all managed through one accountable system.
It simplifies the tools so you can focus on creating. Maximum choice, minimal management.
So here's the final thought for you, the creator, as you think about moving from just experimenting to actually producing work. The notes say paid subscribers fully own their outputs for commercial use, with no watermarks.
Whereas the free plan content might be public and watermarked.
So how much does that guarantee of commercial ownership and privacy actually impact your choice of tool when you're ready to ship your final project? That's something to mull over.